Do you want to speak on camera and get your videos out there? I mean, maybe you've heard about this, that video's taking over and you see it. Videos are everywhere. It's the ability to impact the world by a simple tool that's in your hand at all time. If that's the case, but fear is coming up or you're just feeling uncomfortable with it, in today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 key blocks that stop people from becoming comfortable putting themselves out there on video and how you can overcome it. So stay tuned. My first videos, I remember when I started, I was sitting there, it was in a dark basement, I had my camera, no lights, no mic, nothing, and I was going, and I'm recording these videos, I'm staring at it, and I'm thinking, is this what it feels like to lose your mind? Because I know that nobody's watching it, I'm sitting here talking to this inanimate object, and I'm feeling super awkward and uncomfortable, and that is a big shift that happened. It's that I was sitting there going like, I should just give this up. All this negative chatters was coming in my mind, thinking, what are you doing? Why are you wasting your time? No one's watching it. But it was about saying yes to put out there because it was building something great. And it was all about speak from the heart. So the first piece that comes up is just the awkwardness that can come up when you're speaking to a camera. So right here, I'm not using my phone, I'm actually using a DSLR camera. And a big shift that happens is when you're looking at it, you're not getting that feedback. So when I work with people that want to speak in public, it's about connecting with the audience and seeing them as, okay, this is a friendly audience, and shifting a lot of that narrative around that. But at least you can read the audience, you can see their faces, you can react. It gives you that energy. There's a lot of energy flowing around there. And yet, when you're doing it by yourself, it's a very different scenario. And so what happens is you're speaking to this inanimate object. Now for myself, what happens is I always look at it and I imagine that I'm speaking to my ideal clients, okay? So my ideal clients, it could be one person, it could be, for myself, I have a mastermind, a small group mastermind. I imagine that I'm speaking to them when they were starting out. And that's a way to shift that camera lens, making it feel comfortable, okay? Imagine that you're speaking to one person. That's the first way to start moving away from that discomfort, that awkwardness, and starting to get comfortable. Is imagine that it's someone that you know, it's that ideal client you have. And another trick that I've used before is I've actually taken a picture of my clients and I've stuck it below on the tripod. And when it's on the tripod, it's a visual reference. Now, one trap that's come up is before I have that camera with the little viewfinder. And when I had that screen, it was so distracting because I'd be sitting there and I'd be staring at that screen and then coming back, staring at the screen. And so I've always recommend just speak directly to the camera and imagine that you're talking to an ideal client. You'll feel more comfortable and it's going to lead to better connection. So the first one is about the awkwardness. Get past it and change the dynamic so that it supports you. Now, the second big fear that comes up is people go, what if I'm going to embarrass myself? I know my videos are not going to be great when I start. What if I embarrass myself? It's out there forever. Okay, it's out there forever. And I had a call with a potential client, and she was a personal trainer from the United States. And when we were talking, she's like, I have over 200 videos recorded. They're on YouTube, but I've never put one public. And she's like, I'm good, I can record the videos, but I can't put myself out there. I can't hit that public button and put it out there. And when we started to dig into the fears, what was coming up was this fear that it's out there. What if it ruins my brand? What if it's counterproductive? What are people gonna think? All these fears come up. And this is a very big piece. It's that, yeah, it's going to be out there forever, and yes, your first videos are going to be your absolute worst. So that being said, it doesn't sound very encouraging to get started, but how can we shift it? Well, how we shift it is by looking at it going, yes, it's going to be out there forever, and yes, these are going to be your worst videos ever. So I remember when I started the Art of Confident Speaking show, my first videos were rough. Audio was off, lighting was off, it was just terrible. And I knew that, but I put it out there on purpose. And it was actually to a point that one of my clients in my mastermind, he reached out to me, he called me, he's like, hey man, I saw your videos and there's like a lot of issues there. The mic, the audio's off, all these mistakes are here. You know, how can you put that out there? Aren't you worried that people are gonna judge you and maybe not wanna work with you if they don't see high quality videos? And I said, I'm like, look, I totally hear you and I appreciate that, and that's true. Some people are gonna watch these videos and they're gonna judge me, but the bigger win is in me knowing that there's so many technical issues with my videos and overcoming that hurdle to put myself out there. And so when you can put videos out there that you know aren't perfect, never mind perfect, they're not even very good, and you can get started, that is a piece that's a bigger internal win for your inner confidence that's going to propel you moving forward. Because there's always going to be the lighting's off, or the mic's off, or the background's off, or you weren't in the right mood. There's always a lot of factors that are going to come up and try to sabotage you from getting those videos out there. It's about, do you allow that to stop you, or are you going to put yourself out there? And another piece that I look at it is, yes, it's going to be out there forever. And why that's a good thing is you're actually able to document your rise. You're able to document where you started, knowing that these are the worst videos I can do. As I move forward, as I start building, they're only going to improve. And this has been something that I've been doing for many years. And every year I look back on my previous videos and I go, I can't believe I put that out there. I can't believe I put that out there. It was so terrible. And that's something that's just happened year after year after year. Just like public speaking, you get more comfortable every time you do it. So with videos, you're actually documenting your rise. And so while you could feel uncomfortable, if you hide from that, you're actually missing a massive opportunity to document your progression, but also to be a role model. Because what's going to happen is other people are going to see you. You're going to improve, your skills on video are going to improve, you're going to become more confident. They're going to see that and go, oh my God, I can't believe they're so good. But then they're going to be able to go back and watch your earlier videos and go, wow, they started off nervous, uncomfortable, awkward, and look where they went. That's the biggest thing is, video is such an amazing opportunity to get your message out across the entire world 24/7, people to find, to people to be inspired. And that's the part that you play is you are a role model. So when you have the courage to do that, people are going to be able to go back and see your progression. And that's the biggest gift you can do to uplift everybody, to say, hey, let's get going. Share your voice, make an impact, and do something that scares you every day. Now, the other piece too that comes up is watching it. People go, oh, okay, I want to put these videos out, but I don't want to watch it. It's like, no, that's counterproductive. We have to watch it because when you watch it, you see what you did well and what you can improve on. Now, where this goes sideways is most people, they watch their videos, and a lot of all my clients, when we work together with Speak with Confidence, first thing they do, it's just a laundry list of everything they hate. I hate the way I look, I hate the way I sound, I hate what I wore. All these things come up. And that's okay. Instead, we need to flip it around. Start with what did you do well? Okay, what did you do well? And that's the other piece. Then the next piece is what will I refine? What will I improve? But we start with your wins because that's what's going to build your confidence to keep moving forward with this. So watching your videos is an absolute gift. Yes, it's uncomfortable, but this discomfort is something that's going to help you grow. Because let me put this out to you. I had an acquaintance of mine that she's in media. And we were talking about this and she's like, oh my God, you do video work with your clients? I go, yeah. She's like, I hate seeing myself in video. I never watch it, blah, 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 blah. And I'm like, okay, well, you might hate watching yourself on a video, but it's because you don't like yourself. There's some pieces in there that inner critic is coming up. And that just, I mean, yeah, granted, maybe it wasn't the most appropriate thing to say, but it's true. It's how I felt. It's what I've seen in my experience is that this fear, this resistance, this nerves that comes up from watching yourself on video, it's directly proportionate to that inner critic. So the more critical you are, the harder it is going to be to watch yourself on video. That's why this is such powerful, deep inner healing and personal development, because the more comfortable you can be to see these videos and go, wow, okay, this is what I did well, this is what I need to work on, and maybe you make a lot of mistakes and you start laughing at it. This is what's going to propel you to become the most confident version of yourself. So people look at it and they try to run away. I won't watch my videos, or I'll watch my video, but I'll turn the audio off. All these types of tricks that come up, or they'll watch the video and they'll listen to it, but they won't watch it. Whatever type of tricks they're doing, you're just delaying what needs to happen. And what needs to happen is you go straight at it. If you feel uncomfortable watching yourself on video, just go right into it and ask yourself, what did I do well? What can I improve on? Because the more self-love that you show to yourself, the faster your progression is going to change. Okay, so these are 3 key tips about shifting it around to be more confident on video. And the thing that I want to know from you is in the comments, put down what are the biggest fears that are holding you back from putting yourself out on video, from getting your phone and maybe doing an Instagram video or Facebook Live, YouTube, whatever it is. But what are the biggest fears that are holding you back from becoming confident on video? I'd love to hear that, and I will respond with future videos. All right, so with that, have a great day and get started, because the faster that you start, the faster you're going to progress and become your best self.